Hello students, welcome back to class of science. Today we are going to discuss a topic of class 6, that is a journey through different habitats. There are mainly 3 major habitats on earth in which many different types of organisms live. The first one is terrestrial habitat, in which humans and many animals live, which include all ground or land habitat on the earth. Then aquatic habitat include all freshwater and marine habitat on earth. Then aerial habitat, it means habitat in air. Now let's study them. Terrestrial habitat. In terrestrial habitat, we learn in this video only desert habitat. So in desert habitat has very dry and hot condition with receive very little rainfall. This soil is dry and having sandy soil. So to survive in desert, you need to be done special adaptation like reduce water loss as much as possible and retain moisture in the body. Adaptation done by cactus. Leaves are reduced to spine to check water loss by transpiration. Thick fleshy stem is green to carry photosynthesis. Fleshy stem to store large amount of water. Stem is covered with a thick waxy layer of cuticles to retain water and reduce evaporation. Very few and sunken stomata to reduce transpiration. Then different adaptation done by different or other plants who survive in desert. Many desert plants have long roots that go deep into the soil to absorb water deeper layer. Leaves may be absent and if present are very small and may be covered with dense growth of small fine hairs to reduce transpiration. Camel has padded feet with large soles that help him to walk on hot sand. He has long legs which help to keep his body away from the heat of sand. He has hump on his back in which fat is stored and so camel can remain without water for days. He has dry dung and excrete very little to conserve water. He can survive without water for days and can drink a large amount of around 40 to 50 liters of water at one time when it is available to it. Now some adaptation also shown by desert rat. He lives in underground deep burrows in sand where temperature is lower and soil is moist. He is very active at night when the temperature is low. He conserves water by excreting highly concentrated urine and almost dry feces. I hope you will understand about the adaptation done by the plants or animals who survive in desert area. Thank you all.